Hi, I'm Martin Edwards, and today I will be conducting a disassembly and reassembly of these computer system units. So before doing any works on the system unit, I will first put on my anti-static wrist strap any of these system units. Then proceed to open the system casing, removing the side panel. We will now at this point connect the anti-static wrist strap to the metal area on the body of the system unit. I will now proceed to remove the cables from the hard drive, the CD-ROM drive, and also disconnect the power supply cables from the motherboard. Also removing the mechanical cooling fan from the motherboard as well. Disconnecting that cable, disconnecting the front panel from cables from the motherboard. There we go. Cables disconnected. So at this point, I'll be removing the power supply from the system unit. Now we have removed all four mounting screws holding the power supply. We will now remove the power supply from the system units. One. Removing the front panel cables, so we can then remove the disk drive. We now proceed to remove the hard drive. And we place the hard drive facing up this way. We now proceed to remove the screws mounting the board to the system case. Removing the final mounting screw, and then we're now able to remove the motherboard from the system unit. So we'll place the casing to the side and we continue to remove additional components from the motherboard. Now, removing the memory sticks. Remove them by the edge. We remove the mechanical cooling fan. Then we remove the CPU chip. With that, we use two socket cables. And that concludes full disassembly of the computer system unit.